Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. What a mud fest we got going on. It is so muddy here at the yard, it's not even funny. I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you what I'm dealing with right now. But we got a good amount of rain yesterday, and then we brought some dirt in to try and help us with leveling some of this lot out, and I think that may have been a mistake. But let me show you what we got going on, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of an updated tour, I guess, of the yard here. I'm kind of lost as to what to do, to be honest with you, without having to break the bank. So here we go, let me show you. All right, so this is the pile of dirt that we brought in yesterday. This is about 230 yards full, or 30-yard dumpster is about 20 yards, give or take each. And we also put some down over there to kind of level out the ground over there. It was sinking in pretty bad, so we wanted to level it out as much as we could and then possibly add some rock afterwards. But I mean, you can see what I'm dealing with here. It's just puddle after puddle. That is the new shipping container. I talked about it on my live video last night. I'm gonna go show you that here in a minute. Got a ton of dumpsters. It is literally the Friday before Christmas, so a lot of people are having us pick them back up. So we've got a ton of dumpsters in the yard. But yeah, I mean, you can see just really nowhere to walk without getting super muddy here. But this is absolutely ridiculous. This is kind of crappy here. I'm gonna show you around. That's Kevin's truck there. So the Mack is obviously out running. He brought some dirt in over here. And this is actually the good part, you know, which, oh, that's too muddy there. That's really soft. Let's go back this way. So, you know, past these dumpsters right here, it's pretty much unusable. Even though I've got piles of rocks back there, it's just so soft and so much standing water with nowhere to go. That's the biggest problem. My problem is really not, oh, I don't know. I don't really know what my problem is, to be honest with you. You can see the neighbor next door. They're up about what, 2 feet, give or take. I can only imagine how much that costs them in, what are those, asphalt millings or whatever. But they're sitting nice and pretty. Not like us over here. And again, I don't know if it's just that it's not properly graded, obviously, so there's really nowhere for the water to run to. There's another pile of dirt that I brought in yesterday from those three jobs I had, 3 dumpsters. And obviously we still got some rock left to spread out. We're gonna go back there and see how well or how bad it is, but you know, you can see we're definitely inches underwater here. So help me out, guys. A lot of you guys know more about this stuff than I do. Excuse my pauses while I try to navigate this without getting my boots too full of water. Oh man, see, that's a damn near lake right here. Try not to break my neck and jump over. Oh, yep, that was not good. That was a boot full of water. See, we did all this back here. This was all underwater. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. But the second we drive over this, I'm worried that, especially with it, all the water underneath, that it's just gonna sink in. And I'm gonna lose $3,000 worth of rock. But at least it's dry. This is the landlord's lot. So as you can see, it's a good amount of standing water. And this is all stuff that we spread out here with my little 25 horsepower John Deere tractor. It would be nice to get something like one of those heavy rollers to come in here and kind of compact it. That's the plan, at least, is to compact it a little bit. Well, I guess I'll tell you what I plan on doing. You tell me if this is right or wrong. But the idea is to compact it a little bit, probably rent one of those rollers, and then throw about a couple inches of the fill dirt, or fill, not dirt, but the rock, the 1-inch rock. But that's also going to be pretty expensive to make it a little smoother, and then compact that. I think that's the way to do it. But I've had suggestions to try and find places that, like, you can go pick up their millings for them for free. I've put some feelers out. I have got nothing in return. I've got a concrete job that we're taking a dumpster to actually today. So I'm excited to see, like, what kind of concrete. Because if it's like chunks of concrete, I'll definitely bring it back here to the yard as well and not have to dump it. Save the customer some money, just charge for the can itself. And then, you know, he says he's going to use this pretty regularly. He's got a big project going on for the next few weeks. I mean, I'm literally sinking right here, just standing here on top of these rocks right here. I'm sinking. So the ground underneath is super soft. I'm trying to find the driest way to go back. Let me know, guys, in the comments below, what would you do here? Again, this is not being my yard. I was trying to find a yard that I could purchase, and I could not find anything. And we were kind of pressed for time as far as where we were at, so I had to go and rent or lease a yard. Which, having a dedicated yard, gated, fenced in for yourself, is super nice. But this one needs a little bit of love. Let's go show you the container real quick. All right, I'm just gonna go on the outside because I've got the container kind of butted up against it, or the dumpster. This is a 40-foot high cube container that I've got some video of us putting some railroad ties down. We put about 4 or 5 railroad ties underneath it. Didn't really have to level it out too much, just put the railroad ties on. It's only really for storage. I'm gonna be putting a desk in there. Once we have power, I'll probably put a microwave, a coffee pot, something in there for us to kind of have when take a few minute break or have a little bit of a lunch in between deliveries or pickups. But let's show you the inside. So just navigate my way to the door. So interestingly enough, for those of you guys who are curious, this thing will load 67,200 pounds. I believe it's about 8770. I think that's what it means, tare weight, empty weight. Max cargo weight, which you can have inside, is 58,430. It's a little bit hard to do with one hand. It's basically got like two handles or whatever. I'm just gonna open up the one side, but it's waterproof. That's what's really nice about these things. Waterproof and huge. I mean, I obviously can't even reach. I mean, I'm not that tall, but I can't even reach close to the top. I'm 2 feet. At least 2 feet short. So I went to Home Depot and we bought some of these Husky shelves. I think they're like they were on sale, 220 something or 240 something per shelf or per box. I bought 4, and with 4 I was able to turn it into 6 sections. Basically, you know, I'm not putting the bottom shelf on the floor. So I was able to extend them a little bit further. So 4 boxes got me 6 sections to use for storage. Plenty of space here for us to grow and for me to bring a lot of stuff and tools and stuff that I have from the house. Haven't had a chance to do that yet, but the plan is once the power gets turned on, I'm gonna have to run the power in from this corner over here because this is where the pole is and the power comes in through. Run some light switches, some electrical outlets, and then over here in the front, kind of have the desk, microwave, coffee pot, maybe like a whiteboard for notes or whatever. And then again, most of the rest of it, use it for storage. It's really what I need. I don't have any space for storage. Lots of stuff at my house, and even at my own house, I don't even have a garage. So definitely good idea to have one of these. So this unit right here, let me go through the pricing with you real quick. Let me go outside because it's kind of echoey in here. So this container right here for a 40-foot high cube cost me $2,300. And then it cost about $440, give or take, I think it was, for delivery and plus tax. So right under under $3,000. It was about $2,900 and some change. And I tell you, it's worth every penny really when you can use it and utilize it for storage or a little office, a little standby office, a little makeshift office, whatever it may be. We really don't need more than that, honestly, here. I mean, again, I need more of the land. I need more freedom to do with what I want with the land. And you know, I have my trailer. I have an enclosed trailer back there where I keep a lot of stuff as well. That's going to be transferred over into here. But that's my trailer from home, and that's my personal trailer. Actually, that trailer is going to go up for sale as soon as I clear up space and bring everything in here. Kind of free up some cash. I really don't need that trailer anymore. So. And how can I forget? It's the Friday before Christmas. I really want to wish every single one of you guys who are watching this and who subscribe to this channel a very, very happy Merry Christmas. Enjoy it with your family, enjoy it with your friends, enjoy it with your loved ones, because we are limited. We are limited with the number of Christmases that we have. And when you look at it like that, we are limited with how many Christmases we have, guys. And the ones that we love, that we want to spend our time with. Make sure you enjoy your time. Make sure you appreciate what you have left. And above all else, thank God for what he's given us this year and what is yet to come for 2024. With that, guys, Merry Christmas, and we will see you guys on the next one. So, any questions or suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. See you guys on the next one.